Good morning, students. Today we will study Standard 6, chapter number 16, that is garbage in and garbage out. What is garbage? As we all know, the waste material, the things which are not in use, are act as a rubbish or garbage. So, in day to day life, we throw so much rubbish or garbage every day from home, schools, shops, and offices. The grain, pulses, biscuits are generally packed in a plastic bags or tins. We also throw their wrapping materials, which is also act as a garbage. So sometimes we buy such items which are not in use are also thrown in garbage. So, due to day activities, we often throw the nut shells of groundnut shells on public places, in buses, in trains, after eating the nuts. So, sometimes we throw tickets on the floor, we sharpen our pencil and throw the things on the floor. We also throw the waste material, waste paper from our notebook. So, we also throw away many domestic wastes such as the broken toys, old clothes, shoes, slippers, etc. So, question arises, what if the garbage was not removed from our homes and surrounding? So, how do you think this will harm us? So, when we don't throw our garbage, it will definitely harm us. When Safai Karamcharis take the garbage from the bin, where does the garbage go and what happened to it? So there are number of questions arises कि is garbage harm to us? If the Safai Karamchari take up the all the garbage from our bins and where it thrown? So these are the different questions that arises in our mind. So is it possible for all this garbage to be changed into something that will not harm us? So, is we contribute anything towards the uh, removal of garbage? So, there are lot of questions in our mind. So, we will answer these questions in this chapter. So here a step toward the cleanliness. There is Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. As we all know, the Prime Minister launched the Swachh Bharat mission. The aim of the mission is to create an open defecation free India by 2 October 2019. So the main aim of this mission is to create an open defecation free India. So here the children from Behelis and Buja school did a project called Dealing with Garbage. It means how we treat the garbage and how we deal with the garbage. So first is dealing with garbage. So when the Safai Karamchari collect the garbage in truck and take it to low lying open area, that is called landfill. What is landfill? The low lying open area. It is called landfill. There are the part of the garbage that can be used is separated out from the one that cannot be used as such. So that is a part of garbage that is reused, and this is separated from the that part which is not come to use. Is that clear? So the part which can be reused is separated. Thus, the garbage has both component, that is useful as well as non-useful components. The non-useful component is separated out. It is then spread over the landfill. So useful component is spread over the landfill and then covered with the soil. So once the landfill is completely full, so it is usually converted into park or playground. For the next 20 years or so, no building is constructed on it. So point to be noted, the useful material is thrown on the landfill, and after that soil is put on it, and when the soil is put on it, it is covered with completely layer of the soil, so usually converted to park or playground. So to deal with the some of the useful component of the garbage, compost making areas are developed near the landfill. So what is doing with the composed area? So useful components of the garbage and the composed making areas developed near the landfill, so that the useful component can be act as a compost. So what is compost? So we will give the answer. You can see here, putting garbage heaps in a pit, which means we dig out a pit and put the garbage in the pit. So here, collect the garbage from your house, from dustbin, separate into two groups, so that group 1, group 2. Group 1 contain the garbage from kitchen. What type of garbage present in the kitchen? That is fruits, vegetable, peels, eggshell, waste food, tea leaves, include newspaper, dry leaves, paper bags. So next, group 2 is piece of cloth, polythene, bags, aluminium wrappers, or old shoes, broken toys. So now divide the content of each group into two separate heaps. So you can make the two separate heaps from this. So next, label them A, B, C, D. Put one heap from group 1 and one heap from group 2 into two separate plastic bags. Tie the mouth of two bags. Put all the four heaps in a separate pits and cover them with soil. So 4 pots to bury these garbage. You can also use 4 pots. Remove the soil after 4 days and observe the changes in garbage. So a black color, no foul smell indicates the rotting of garbage is complete. What is rotting of garbage? That is decomposition. The completely decomposed. So put the heap again in the pits and cover with soil. Observe again after every 2 days and note your observation. Rot completely and not smell. Rot only partially. Rot almost completely but still smell bad. Not change at all. So the garbage in which heap was seen to rot and which do not. So here is first, second, third or fourth in your column. You can see 16.1. You can add the results here. If you make any observation, don't forget to write it. So the burn the garbage, don't rot. So you have not to remove and burn the garbage which is not rot. The garbage was found to rot completely and did not smell, and mix it in the soil where you sow your favorite plant. So the garbage which rot completely is helpful for plants to sow. It acts as a compost because it provides the nutrients to the plants. So something in the garbage rot. They form the manure. As I told you, manure is a compost for the plant. The rotting and the conversion of some material into manure is called composting. What is composting? The conversion of material into manure, and that material is called compost, and phenomena is composting. So in some cities and towns, municipalities provide separate dustbin for collecting two kinds of garbage. So two kinds of garbage. One is colored blue and other colored green. The blue bin is for material that can be used as such as plastic, metals and glasses. And did you know material that do not rot in the garbage heap? That the material which is not rot completely or partially, that is the present in the blue bin. The green bins are for collecting kitchen and the other planet plants and animal wastes. So the type of waste rot completely when buried in the soil. So this type of the rot completely rot. So we can say that it completely rot. So it is necessary for you to separate waste into two groups. So garbage heap of dry leaves on the roadside. You see that most of time these are burnt. So you see the most of time the dry leaves can be burned. The farmer too often burn the husk, dry leaves and the part of the crop plants in their field after harvesting. But the burning of these produces smokes and gases which are harmful for the health. So we should try to stop such practices So these waste could be converted into useful compost. You can see here the burning of leaves produces harmful gases. Here are some of the observation and thought noted by the Paheli and Bujo from their project dealing with garbage. So, not theft really, she must have meant illegal. She wanted that the government should make the burning of leaves against the law against burning of leaves and other plant wasted anywhere in India. As you see here, the burning of leaves produces harmful gases. So here she is very upset and she wants the government to make the law. So Paheli made a note in her notebook. Why has the government not made the burning of leaf theft? Not theft really. She must have meant illegal. Okay. So here we had completed the topic dealing with garbage. So we will meet in next lecture. Thank you.